Hey other people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we will test how to get free Delta Executor for your Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com, you will find it easily, and click on Delta Executor. So it should load up like this, guys. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID or our username. So I will go with username. I will just enter it. Click connect account and it will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys. So you should get this confirmation. So just click yes connect and that's pretty much it. You will get connected. So there we go, guys. Now we will click on import newest Delta Executor. So just click there, guys, and you will get this pop-up. So if you want, you can select additional apps, scripts to install along your Delta Executor. So I don't know, I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna for example, and I will continue with this. It's optional, guys. You can or you, if you don't want, it's okay. So API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. So let's see. Nice, guys, API is connected, our Delta is ready, and we got our activation key already. Nice, guys. So now we will have to verify this bot check because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. So oh my god, guys, oh my god, thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Look at this, our key is now fully and unrevealed. So let's open our Roblox and let's see, is it actually working, guys? Okay, so I will open, for example, still a brain rot or whatever. Let's play still a brain rot and then we will see, is it actually working? So we should receive now Delta along 4 scripts selected, right? So let's see. Let's wait for this loading screen, guys. I'm literally shaking. Okay. Look at this, guys. We're actually getting our Delta imported. Thank you for using Delta. Look at this, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. We also have all those amazing features. Look at this, guys. Now we can, let's say, steal a brain rot. Still a brain rot. Let's search for it and look at this. We got all those amazing scripts, guys. We can also execute them. Look at this. Execute selected script, guys. And we can test literally everything. It's private script, but we can do, look at this. We can do everything else. So let me minimize it. I don't know how to close it, but we also can check for this. Yeah, we got Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna just as we selected. So I can click execute on script that we have pre-installed with our Delta, and let's see. It should load up. Like, let's wait for this, and we can test also more scripts. So guys, it's up to you what to test, what execute. You can look at this, guys. Look, we got it for free. It's sick. I'm so excited, guys, because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working one. That's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.